Ever wondered why a clean home can make you feel so good? Today, we delve into the mental health benefits of a clean home. There's a fascinating connection between the state of our living spaces and our mental well-being. When our surroundings are clean and orderly, it provides us with a sense of control and order in our lives. It's like a breath of fresh air, offering us a familiar and comfortable environment that soothes our mind. Moreover, the process of cleaning itself can be quite therapeutic. As we wipe away the dust and grime, our bodies release endorphins, those feel-good hormones that boost our mood. A clean environment also helps us focus better, minimizing distractions and creating a conducive space for productivity. Beyond that, a tidy space aids in regulating our emotions. It's like a visual representation of our internal state. When our surroundings are calm and organized, it tends to reflect on our mental state as well. Now that you understand the connection, welcome to Wellness et al., where your health and wellness is our priority. Cleaning can be therapeutic for some, but it can also be a daunting task for others, especially those dealing with anxiety or depression. It's not just about the physical labor. The mental energy needed to plan, organize, and execute cleaning tasks can sometimes feel overwhelming. For individuals grappling with mental health issues, the mere thought of tidying up can trigger stress and anxiety. It's essential to understand that different people have different capacities, and it's perfectly okay if you find cleaning challenging. What's more, studies have shown that living in tidy homes can positively impact mental health, which underlines the importance of maintaining a clean living space. So how can we navigate this challenge? One key step is recognizing when we need help and seeking it without hesitation. Professional help can come in various forms. It could be a cleaning service or a mental health professional who can provide strategies to manage anxiety around cleaning. Let's break down the stigma around seeking help. Whether it's reaching out to a friend, hiring a professional cleaner, or talking to a therapist, it's important to remember that seeking help is not a sign of weakness but a demonstration of self-care and strength. Remember, it's okay to ask for help when you need it. Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of cleaning? Here are some practical tips to help you get started. First, start with your favorite room. It could be your bedroom, your kitchen, or even your home office. This is the space where you spend a lot of time, and it's a great place to begin your decluttering journey. By starting with a room you love, you're bound to feel motivated and see immediate benefits, which will inspire you to continue the process in other areas of your home. Next, remember to start small. The thought of decluttering an entire house can be daunting, but if you break down the task into manageable parts, it becomes less overwhelming. You could start with a single drawer or a shelf. Celebrate each small victory, and before you know it, you'll have made significant progress. Now, let's talk about organization. One of the key principles of decluttering is giving everything a designated place. When each item has its own home, it's easier to maintain a tidy environment. Invest in storage solutions that fit your lifestyle and your space. Remember, the goal here is not perfection, but functionality. Lastly, use your goals as motivation. Perhaps you want to create a peaceful sanctuary in your bedroom or a productive workspace in your office. Keep these goals in mind as you declutter. Your goals will not only motivate you, but also guide you in making decisions about what to keep and what to let go. With these tips, you can start your journey towards a cleaner home and a healthier mind. We've shared the mental health benefits of a clean home and tips to get you started. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Do you have any personal stories about how tidying up your space has benefited your mental well-being? Maybe you've discovered a decluttering trick that's been a game changer for you. Or perhaps you're just beginning your journey towards a cleaner, more organized living environment, and you're looking for some motivation or advice. This is your community, your platform. We're all here to learn from each other, to inspire and be inspired. Every thought, every experience counts. So don't hold back. Share your thoughts, your stories, your tips. Let's create a conversation, a movement towards cleaner, happier homes and healthier minds. Mental health is as important as physical health, and cleanliness plays a significant role in maintaining it. Let's remember that. Let's remind each other of that. So the next time you're feeling down or overwhelmed, try cleaning up your surroundings. You might be surprised at the impact it can have on your mood and mindset. We're all in this together, navigating the complexities of life and health. And one of the simplest, most effective things we can do for ourselves is to maintain a clean and organized living space. It's a small step, but it can make a big difference. So, what do you say? Are you ready to embrace the connection between cleanliness and mental health? Are you ready to step into a cleaner, happier, healthier life? We're here to support you every step of the way, Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to Wellness et al. Stay tuned for more health and wellness tips. Remember, a clean home is a happy home.